Right. Superlight teardown. Let's see what's changed. Pink Superlight, red Superlight. Well, it could be fire engine red. What do you reckon? It's not. It's probably a slight orangey red, but not like orange. It definitely gives you more FPS, the red one, I think. Let's see if we've got better pre. Oh no, it's still shit. Yeah. Oh, it's even worse by the looks of it. It's not micro USB. Yeah. Why did they put? It would have been nice to have had a red scroll wheel, right? Why can't they put a red scroll wheel? Why can't they put a red base? So maybe get rid of the base, but the scroll wheel, please, come on, give us a fucking red scroll wheel, man. It doesn't bother me the micro USB, but it should definitely be USB. So. Now, is it gonna be 62 Gs? Probably. Same, 50, 51, 52. 61, 62, so pretty normal. Got the same lovely pre-travel on the sides. Mush included. Let's pop it open, have a look. Is it blue LED? Oh no, sorry, green LED. Yeah, not even got a red LED, unless your battery's going flat. There's a few things that could have made it better is red. I mean, they did the same with the pink ones, so I don't like complaining because the pink one's got the same problem. White scroll wheel, which is off the white G Pro Superlight. It should have changed the scroll wheel. The skates come off wonderfully well. What I might do is leave the entire plastic surface on it, so it's not even got, it's not got the stickiness. I'm not going to measure any of the weight in this, by the way. If you want to see the weights of all this stuff, we've already done it. Same screws, same backing, yeah. Serial number. Yeah. I mean, if you know Superlights, I mean, I haven't shown many Superlights on this channel, so you probably don't really know what's going on, but this looks pretty normal. Their coloured mice are coloured all the way through. I mean, that is all the way through colour, right? So it'll lose its coating, but it won't lose their colour, if that makes sense. It won't go black like some of the other companies that don't paint them properly. Revision at 0.06 PCB if anyone's interested. Same battery, it's they put a line through it for some weird reason. Same 3.5 volt, sorry 3.7 volt, 240 milliamp. Same battery, no surprise. I don't know what the black line is. There's the revision of the chipset. exactly the same if anyone's interested with the different modding bases, but it looks the same. All the same mounts. Maybe it looks a bit shiny, the ABS maybe? Don't know, what do you reckon? Looks a little bit shiny. Maybe a bit matter, I think. No changes here, but as we expect. Here's the no surprise, could work. TTC open encoder on 120mm. Well, there's no difference, it's exactly the same encoder. 20 million on run. Yeah, so I'll quick look myself personally. Looks identical, absolutely no different, but no surprise about it. All they're doing is change the colour. So. So, a shell. Yeah, purely red, which we've seen many a time. Yeah, confirmed on run sides as well. It's like the same PCB as well. So yeah, exactly the same, just red. Even the micro USB. This PCB looks the same. Oops. The same crappy spring on the scroll wheel as well, if you're wondering. So, different versions maybe. Don't know, I can't remember the version numbers on this one. But it's probably the same. So I'll leave the spring on, but you can see it there. The exoskeleton exactly the same. Et voilà.